Welcome to the installation and usage guide of Connect and Use Halonix SecurCAM range of Wi-Fi security cameras with 3K Pro HD quality. There are two ways to place the Halonix SecurCAM in your indoors. You can mount the camera on the wall by drilling, or you can simply place it on any flat surface. For drilling the camera onto the wall, mark the position of the screws and drill. Place the base and then screw it tight. Take out your Halonix SecurCAM and align it over the base onto the wall. Turn the camera over the base to lock it perfectly. 3 easy steps process to install and use your Halonix SecurCAM. How to install the camera. Now, since the camera has been successfully placed, let's see how to install the application to pair it. First, download the Halonix SecurCAM app from Apple Store or Google Play to your smartphone or tablet as shown on the screen. To register, you need to enter your phone number, email ID. For now, let's start with entering the email ID. In the next step, you need to connect the tennis ball visible on the screen to the racket passing through the red dot. This is for safety certification. Enter the verification code received on registered email ID. Now set your password. How to set up your Halonix SecurCAM. Switch on the camera and wait for the indicator light to flash slowly. Open the app and click on the plus icon on the upper right corner that will open the scan code interface. Scan the QR code on the camera with this. On the search device interface, click Add. Now the app will ask to connect to the Wi-Fi access point of the camera. Tap on Go to Settings and select Wi-Fi with the name starting with IPC. The password for this camera Wi-Fi access point is 11111111. You will now see a video preview on the app. Now, if you need to access the camera remotely, you need to have a Wi-Fi connection near to the camera. Tap on the remote view on mobile application. If you do not have a Wi-Fi connection and want to use the camera locally, tap on Direct Connection. For remote view, select the appropriate Wi-Fi from the Wi-Fi scan list. Enter the password and click Confirm. The camera will now get configured. Once the camera is added successfully, set a name and password. How to use. Let's go through the features of the Halonix SecurCAM. Live view. You can access the live video now. Recorded view. With Halonix SecurCAM app, you can also view the cloud or SD card recorded videos in the application itself. Two-way communication. This application also provides you with a two-way communication with your loved ones through camera. Sharing SecureCam with family. Allow your family members to access the SecureCam by sharing through SecureCam app. Smart detection settings. The AI features give you the alerts on your connected mobile phone for motion detection. The SecureCam for Halonix is an innovative Wi-Fi pan-tilt indoor camera that comes loaded with features and gives you 3K Pro HD video quality, taking security monitoring to a whole new level. These cameras support SD card, cloud storage, live view, privacy zone, etc., acting as an all-inclusive guard for your house. The same installation guide shall be followed by Halonix SecurCAM Dome Indoor Camera and Halonix SecurCAM Bullet Outdoor Camera.